Forewarn Weather with exclusive cutting-edge technology to help keep you and your family safe.
Oh, time to talk about that forecast for the rest of the day and the weekend for everybody that has plans.
I know, I'm trying just to look at today because you've got a lot of stuff going on this weekend, a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
And it's not too impactful, but it's...
Yeah, the weekend not so bad. It's really next week that's the problem.
Okay.
Do
So
you have a coin that I could just kind of toss?
Sure.
Yes, it kind of feels like that right now.
I know a lot of people are hoping for some kind of coating of snow.
You're right. But when it's mixed with rain and like freezing rain,
not
that's
that
just
kind.
nasty.
Not
Yeah.
that kind.
All right, so we do see some light snow this weekend, but as temperatures rise in the mid to upper 30s, probably not going to stick to the surface much. Now, we do have a bigger system as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. That's going to bring a messy mix that could start as some snow before changing over to rain, back to maybe some snow. We're still several days out for this to happen, but when it's factored in to some breezy conditions, in fact, wind gusts over 30 miles per hour, well, we could also be dealing with wind chill readings below freezing. That kind of throws it all out of whack. We'll talk more about it in just a moment. Right now, 33 degrees, downtown Detroit. Looking nice, a little gray out there, but a live look at Ford Field. That'll be hopping this weekend. Southwesterly winds at 11 miles per hour make that wind chill feel like 24. So our temperatures are kind of hovering right around the freezing mark. But as we look at clouds and radar, it's just cloudy, no precipitation in the forecast today. Let's zoom out because the first weather maker that we have over the next 7 days, well, that right now is pushing into Arkansas, Missouri. You can see a wintry mess with Little Rock, kind of the divider there. That will track up to the northeast and the mid-Atlantic states, so we'll get the northern edge of that, bringing some flurries Saturday and Sunday. Cold and cloudy otherwise the rest of your Friday afternoon. Will be in the mid-30s for the afternoon high before dipping into the 20s after sunset. If you're trying to hit the slopes this weekend, a quick look at what we're tracking. The UP, some of the resorts up there reporting about 12 to 18 inches of snowpack. That's machine groomed. But if you really want to see nice snow depth, northern lower Michigan, including the Highlands, have 20 to 28 inches of snow being reported. Weekend forecast here closer to home will be in the upper 30s. Few flakes fly once again, maybe a dusting at most. So if you're heading out to the Lions game, it shouldn't be too shabby. Now let's take you to system number 2. That's next week. Midday Monday impacting portions of the plains. That moves up into our area by Tuesday morning before sunrise. Starting as snow, this will then change over to rain midday on Tuesday. Heavy rain Tuesday evening, Tuesday night before the temperatures fall again going into Wednesday morning. And on the back edge of that, some snow starts to fill in. So we could see measurable snow, but it all matters on when that changeover happens. And even the wind chill readings could factor into maybe some snow coming down even if the air temperature is above freezing. So we'll keep a close eye on next weekend's system, but we do stay above average over the next 7 days.